Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this lecture, we are going to start a new initiative for the AI learning. Like we guys are so come across many words like AI is everywhere, AI will replace everything. We no need to worry about anything because we are going to adapt AI. Like how we are adapted computers, laptops and everything's right. So similar to that, we are just going to adapt AI. So what's our ultimate intention is we are going to be a AI native engineer. So the term name the term that we are an AI native engineers. So AI native engineers. So once you guys were get these kind of nomenclature or you guys were well versed with the term, then nobody will replace your work. So even if your domain may be anything like a BPO or anything, whatever it may be, don't worry. Here is a 6-month AI mastery roadmap. Zero. If you guys are zero in AI, don't worry. From the next 6 months, you will be from zero to hero. That once you get the tag of AI native engineer, then nobody can replace you. Even if the replacement come, then the replacement must need your help or assistant in order to take place. So let's see how we are going to track this roadmap. So here I will be publishing each videos like monthly I was scrutinized the thing and also weekly I have scrutinized. So here I will give you monthly plan. Then according to that I will be publishing videos and many projects are in the bucket. So don't worry, stay tuned and follow me. Then we all will become a AI native engineer. So let's take the first month roadmap. So this is the month one. So as we guys going to be complete AI native engineer, right? So let's start from the very scratch. Maybe some guys may start from the prompting. Like most of the guys will start from prompting. They may omit that basic understanding everything. That is not at all issue. But I am going to give a entire complete package. So let's start from the month one with the programming and Max foundation. So programming and Max foundation. So even many IT guys may skip this first month because they are already have well-versed knowledge. Like programming, they may have that Python is the only thing that we are going to use, and some behind mathematics foundation. Like mathematics foundation, some college guys may have good awareness over there. If their foundation is good, they can also skip it. So if you guys need, you can go over it. There is nothing. So here, what are the things that we are going to cover? Is the first one is Python. So Python is very much required. So even if you guys don't know, don't worry, I will be letting you know. So next, linear algebra. So linear algebra is one of the important thing where how we will be mapping the data and how we'll be mapping the context. So those things will be very much needed. After the linear algebra, then calculus like optimization and those part. So this part we not going to entirely cover, like how what's needed and how that will be impacting the model. So that's why up to that only. Like we may be knowing that we are when we give some input to AI models, then it will produce some output. But we may not know how the internal parameters mapping and those weights are get mapped and how they are rechained. If for an example, if you guys ask one question to model, the model will take thousands and thousands of decisions in order to give you the correct answers. So there may be many internal alignments will change. So for that optimization, we need to go over calculus and stats. So this is the first month. So here we will be entirely covering all the basics. So then you will be able to know how the AI model is working even. So that kind of understanding, that real-time understanding you guys will get. So from the second month, so here everybody can start from here. So here we are going to start with our core machine learning. So we guys may know this is an Gen AI course, but machine learning is ultimately needed because everything is subset under this, right? Gen AI is very small subset of all these things. So we have to start this one also. So from here, what we can cover is we will start from ML foundation. So machine learning foundation, actually these all are ideas which are raised in 2000s itself. So from there we will start how the evaluation everything is come. So here we will be discussing supervised, unsupervised, everything model, every kind of things we will discuss. Then regression classifier. So we everything any kind of subjects if we start, we have to come from basics. So even many guys know about the regression classifiers from their college days itself. Those guys can skip it, or even if you guys need to brush up, you can go over it. So our specialty of this course is in everything we are going to cover with the problem programming and everything is covered with projects. So here we can go over linear regression, logistic regression, F1 score, everything we will be going to cover. Then we can go for advanced ML and unsupervised learning. So unsupervised learning and these things are very much needed. So unsupervised learning that we will be covering. So unsupervised learning. So here we will be going through decision trees, random forest, and SVM, everything, K-means, cluster, everything we will be going to see. And in the second month itself, we will be having a mini project. So I will be assigning your questions, so you guys can select from that and you can complete it, and you can also share that to me, so then we can evaluate it. Mostly the problems will be some kind of pattern analysis only, so that will not be that much difficult for you guys. So in the third month we'll be starting some deep into the learning, so that is deep learning fundamentals. So once we done with the machine learning, then we'll be coming to deep learnings. So deep learning fundamentals, everything is just an extended versions only, so there is no need to worry about it. So we will be starting with the deep learning fundamentals. So in the deep learning fundamentals, we'll be starting with the neural networks. So how our brain, everybody will say this as example, how our brain nerves are connected and how we are getting response over there. Similar to that, neural networks will be connected, neurons are like the kind of assumption that we will take, and how that are linked we will be going through. And then we will going through the rich Python libraries like TensorFlow, PyTorch, everything will be go. So TensorFlows, so every kind of things will be going through TensorFlows and even PyTorch. So these kind of things will be giving you a very good understanding along with programs. So no network, no worry about it. Then CNNs and RNNs. So these are some kind of image and text classification, sequential data, LSTMs, everything will be going to it. So in the convolutions and the polling filters, transfer learnings, you will be having a good understanding in the CNNs, and in RNNs also we will have a RNN also you will have a good understanding. Then from after the third month you guys will get a good understanding of all the fundamentals, right? So then we will be starting more with the project alignments, so that we will call specialization 1. So from here itself you are 70% AI native engineers, so specialization 1 will start here. So this is mainly focused on computer vision, CV. Okay, so here what we'll do is that we will start with image classification. So image classification is the first thing we will be giving you projects. So and I will also be teaching you, so no worries over there. So we can start with image classification, then object detection, image segmentation, everything will be started. Object detection, so what kind of object is given in there, and these kind of things we will be doing those things. So here you guys may get a real-time advanced understanding over here. Then CV mini project is coming here. So mini project things that you guys will be doing, so I will be assigning you and you guys can do that one. Then specialization 2 will start here, like from the 5th month specialization 2 will start. And the specialization 2 mostly will be focusing on NLPs, so natural language process, because without this we are not an AI native engineers. So NLPs will be starting very advanced texts and advanced things. So first thing that we will start is the text processing. Then we will be going to more into other voice and other things. First we will be touching text pre-processing, like where GMM, HMM, everything will be going through. So every fundamentals will be covered here. Even text processing and aligned embeddings also we will be going over. So aligned embeddings also we will be covering. After that, then classification, transformers and LLMs also we will be seeing. So LLMs will also be covering from here. Then we will be having a NLP mini project. So this is specialization 2 mini project. So don't worry about these project things. I'm here to guide you guys. So as a AI native engineers, we have to learn together and we have to achieve it in our thing. So last and 6 month, this one is the capstone, completely capstone on industry preparation. So this is completely capstone preparation. Capstone projects only will be there. So only capstone projects. And I will be starting you with the interview series also, like industry, how industries will expect us to be implement this in their project, like this way we will be starting. So that is industry preparation. So industry preparation will be starting. So here first the thing is the project development. So this will be basically will be starting from here. So project development, and then we start with some ML operations, like where we will be using Flask and the Flask APIs. We will ourselves will build those things and we will be starting with those kind of UIs and everything. Then we will be reviewing all things and we will be finalizing our things in the thing. Then you will become a AI native engineer. So this is an entire 6 month plan. So once you guys completed these 6 months, I am pretty sure that in your organization you will be one of the key resource in every time. All time you will be a key resource. So this will be the thing that I will be doing. This is a 6 month specialized course. I have drafted this with so many technicians and industrial experts. So this is the Zero to Hero series for the AI native engineers. So once this is done and all the projects, everything is done, then you can proudly put in your any kind of social medias that you are an AI native engineers. So then we have a two series. Like in this lecture, I will be explaining all this along with the project. And this is a I think this is with some basic foundation course I will be doing. And another one elite playlist also I will be making in my channel. In that there I will be only focusing on project like N8N and other kind of code, non-code, codeless tools, codeless AI models. Every tools is there, right? So we will be keep on exploring everything. So there I will be putting some many projects like how we can do like. Developers how you can make use of AI, how QA engineers can make use of AI, how college students can make use of AI, everything I will be making there. So this is one of the learning course. This will be 6 month learning course and there will be directly implementation. So if you guys feel I am not going to learn or this will be taking time, then you can watch that also. I will be parallelly putting videos there. So I think this will be very much helpful for you guys. So there is a two thing. That thing is that one is the basic foundation. I will be foundation course. That is this one. This is the foundation of 6 month course. Here you this is for AI native engineers, and then another one is the elite course. So elite case is only focusing on tools and things, tools and stuffs. But this is mainly focusing for the AI native engineers. So this is only focus on AI native. Okay, so stay tuned. Based on which is your requirement, you guys can start preparation. Even if you guys need to go over all, you can watch it, no problem. I will be starting and posting series of lecture. So stay tuned, like, share and subscribe our channel. Your motivation and your subscribe counts will make me to put all my efforts together. So let's begin our course from the next upcoming lectures with the 6 month AI mastery roadmap, a zero to hero series of AI native engineer. Stay tuned, guys. We are going to rock our next 6 months, and we are going to be a wonderful critical resource in your organization. Are going to be a good engineer in your college. Thank you. Stay tuned.